Installing your iblinds kit is simple and easy. Open the window blinds. Remove the tilt wand if you have one. If your blinds have a pull string instead of a wand, you'll remove it later with the tilt mechanism. Pull the blinds all the way up and remove them from the mounting brackets. Place your blinds on a large flat surface. Note the location of the window blind components inside the headrail, the tilting mechanism, the tilt drums, and your tilt rod. Remove the tilt rod and the tilting mechanism. Sometimes you will need to remove the tilt mechanism first, depending on the window blinds manufacturer. Install the charge adapter inside the headrail and attach the clip from the bottom. Make sure the wires are facing the outer end of the headrail, and the micro USB port should be toward the front of the headrail. Three different tilt shafts are included with your device: large square, small square, and hexagonal. Choose the shaft that matches your tilt rod from your blinds. You can find instructions and a video for changing out your tilt shaft at support.myiblinds.com. You have 3 ports on the motor for the micro USB, solar panel, and battery cables. Attach the rechargeable battery cable here. Now attach the charge adapter cable to the micro USB port here. Some window blinds will require the use of our height adapter for proper alignment. Install the iblinds motor into the headrail. You may have to gently press the panels of the headrail apart to work in the motor. Make sure the buttons are at the back and the tilt shaft is aligned with the holes in the tilt drums. Make sure to route the lift string through the string pass-through channel located on the bottom of the iblinds motor. If the string cannot move freely, then you won't be able to raise and lower the blinds. Tuck the battery in next to the motor. Make sure the tilt drums are all in the same orientation before inserting the tilt rod. Now you'll reinstall your tilt rod, passing it through the tilt drums and the tilt shaft in your iblinds motor. Carefully tuck the cables away using ties if needed. Make sure you keep the cables away from any moving parts and mechanisms in the headrail. Then power on the battery. Follow your Z-Wave controller or hub's instructions to place it in inclusion mode. Press the inclusion button on your iblinds motor once and wait for it to be discovered and joined to your Z-Wave network. If the device isn't joined to the network, press the calibration reset button. 1 second later, press the inclusion button. Reinstall the blinds and the mounting brackets on your window and prepare for auto calibration. The battery can be recharged by connecting the USB cable and USB adapter approximately every 4 to 5 months. We also have available a worry-free solar charging option. For instructions and a video on how to attach the solar panel power option, go to support.myiblinds.com.